What are you gonna do? Put it inside where?
Put it to the side. You can put it by the
I
bush.
think if you touch the baby, then the mama
Wait,
can't
where's
do
the
anything.
nest?
Once you touch it, they said you can't.
What?
If you touch a baby bird,
Like
the
the
mama
cat.
can't.
Like the cat.
Hey, she knows. She knows that she was coming for.
Why?
Uh oh. That's crazy, isn't it?
I mean, I don't know if that's all types of birds.
Where's the nest?
Huh? In that tree, I think.
Uh oh. You get it.
Looks like she's got some reinforcements.
Oh!
Wow. He didn't even do anything.
Those birds are playing, and I love how they all tune in.
So once you touch the bird, they won't take it back?
They
And I
don't
don't
kill
know.
it. They might kill it.
I don't know if that's
I
all
think so.
bird types, but from what I
I heard if you touch it,
It's terrible.
I know
Yeah.
that for the majority of them, yeah, if you touch a baby, they won't take care of it.
yeah, and that's what I think with dogs and cats too.
I don't think dogs, because dogs will adopt
baby
other
back.
babies, other puppies.
No, 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 no! Don't go near the bird.
How are they going to get that bird back? It's so large.
I don't know. This one's
That's why there's two of them. I guess both of them are going to do it together.
Oh, really?
It's crazy.
Both of them together?
I don't know what they're doing.
Uh-oh.
I'm not. I don't know what's going.
It's kind of funny, though.